What's good, everybody? As you guys can see, I just came back from a photo shoot. It's your girl Tony Roy, and we are here with a wig coloring tutorial. So this is my long-awaited winter 2020 hair color. We are rocking the Lusty Lav. Feel me. As you guys can see, I just got back from my photo shoot I did earlier today with my homeboy Chris at 6 Line Florals. Definitely show my Bronx brother some love. He definitely finessed my photos, and he did that shit so effortlessly. He really rocked my whole photo shoot for me, and it felt amazing to collab with somebody from my own borough and just really get it popping. So definitely check my boy out. He does a whole bunch of things. He does floral design, set design. He has his own line of merchandise. So definitely check my brother out. He is amazing, but anything he touches hands on, he finesses. But yes, we are going to get into another hair coloring video. This time we are featuring Lavender. I'm Beauty Chicago from Chicago. What? I know you see it. I know you see these inches. I know you see it. Like, I know you see these inches. Y'all cannot, listen, it's sticking to my lip gloss, but I know you see this swag. Shot Billy Rich. Feel me? Listen, like, I'm dripped out. I've been like this all day. Like, I literally walked out my building looking like a unicorn princess at 11 a.m. So I am really tired. I'm very hot. I want to take this makeup off, but I couldn't not film an intro for you guys so you can see my face. So if you guys are making it to see this video right now, I just want to take a moment to say that you are blessed. 2020 has been very unpredictable. We lost a lot of good people this year. I know friends that have lost family members due to everything going on in the world right now. I know so many people that have lost loved ones, and I am just thankful that I have everyone near and dear to me still to this day. Despite whatever our relationship might be, I'm just thankful to have everybody still in my corner. If you guys are here, you're blessed, you're alive, you're breathing, you're healthy, you survived whatever it is you were going through. And we're definitely going to talk a lot more about this during my 2020 recap video that I'm planning on dropping very, very soon. But I just wanted to take a minute to let you guys know that I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys for subscribing to my YouTube channel thus far. I am starting completely fresh with the way that I drop content for you guys, and it just feels really good to be sharing more of my talents and more of my personality with y'all, okay? Take this as your push to finish out 2020 strong. Make sure you guys continue to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Share this video if you like, and stay tuned for all the tea on I'm Beauty Chicago, as well as seeing how I finessed and colored this beautiful Lusty Lav wig. And let's get right into it. First things first, you're gonna want to detangle your wig. No matter what, you want to make sure this wig doesn't have any tangles, any knots. We want to get as much of the shedding out of the way as possible so that we don't have any drama when we're coloring. And I'm just showing you guys how the wig is constructed. It comes with 4 clips to give you some extra grip. Next, we're going to grab our hair color. You're going to need about 2 bottles of Adore Lavender hair color. You're also going to need your hair coloring bowl as well as a hair coloring comb or brush, whatever you prefer. And you guys already know we're about to do the hot water method, so get that water boiling, okay? Next, you're going to shake up each bottle of hair color before you add it to the water. And what you want to do is gradually add it and stir that water thoroughly so that you get an even mix. And to test the hair color to make sure it's the intensity you want, you can take a tiny strand of hair from the wig and just dip it in there. And if it's not the color you want, obviously add more. But once you get that color that you like, you can feel free to steep the entire wig inside that hot water. Just be careful not to burn your fingers along the way. As you guys can see, this wig didn't take the color right away on the first dip, so I did have to go back in and dip it about 2 more times just to make sure it was thoroughly coated. And I gradually added the remainder of that first bottle before I went in with the second bottle. And I just kept repeating those steps until I got the lavender shade that I wanted. And there it is. This is so fucking fly. So at first I thought it was starting to look like the last wig I made, which was the Sonic Blue, but this is actually coming out exactly how I want it. I literally wanted it to look like the unicorn emoji. So this is pretty dope. I like it. I'm probably gonna go back in on the roots, as you guys saw. This didn't take the color that well, so I'm gonna take the other half of that lavender and just go in there a little bit more, and that should blend us out. But I'm kind of tired right now, so I'm just going to shampoo and condition this, let it air dry, and then we'll check it again in the morning. Sasha, what the fuck? Sasha, you want your hair did? Alright. So my cat wanted to be part of this tutorial, so I guess she's gonna, oh, never mind. Oh, all right, up. All right, so after we let this wig completely air dry overnight, I just began to divide the hair so that we could begin tweezing. Now, I intend on wearing this wig as a middle part. Anytime I decide to wear my hair as a side part, I typically don't tweeze the side part because I like that flip over method. But pretty much what I'm doing is just gradually tweezing down that hairline that I want. I'm gonna keep combing and tweezing as I go. When you're tweezing your frontals, one thing I will say, especially when doing the Chicago, the I Am Beauty Chicago wig, was that it was a very dense frontal when I first shampooed this wig. I didn't think it was gonna be that dense until the next day when it air dried. So you best believe I thought I had a lot of shedding because I just tweezed so much, but rest assured, when I put it on my head and actually installed it, it was the perfect amount. When in doubt, start small and then keep trying it on as you go, because the one thing you don't want to do is tweeze too much and give yourself a bald spot. That's not cute, okay? To add a little bit of extra shine and heat protection, I just used some argan oil serum. And what I did was began to section off my hair so that I can start styling it. Like I said before, I plan on wearing it as a really sleek middle part. I didn't want to go too crazy, especially because of the look for my photo shoot. So I just ran my flat iron through it little by little just to give it a nice, flat, polished, sleek unicorn do, okay? I am rocking a 22-inch Indian Virgin 613 wig from them. It is a half lace wig from I'm Beauty Hair, and it is also 13 by 14 for the frontal area. The back also came with lace as well. I don't know if you guys could see. I personally don't like to glue my wigs down in the back, but I definitely glue it in the front because that's what matters. Definitely, if you guys are into doing like updos, half up, half downs, you guys will definitely find the use and, you know, gluing this part down. For me personally, I don't like to glue the back down, so that's why it's just, you know, chilling on the back of my neck like that. But for the most part, I wear my hair flat. I might curl it and like flip it to the side a little bit. The customer service is so fly that they blessed me with an extra 2 inches, so I'm rocking that 22. Look at that. I'm gonna step back real quick. I really wanted this wig to kind of be my own personal take on the unicorn emoji. My whole attire aesthetic is hood princess, hood unicorn, hoodicorn. That's exactly what that means. If you guys are wondering, I made that up myself, and I just wanted to make sure I was reflecting my alter ego in real life. You listen. I'll be acting a fool. I'll be acting a fool all month long just because this wig is just so fly. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you share the video if you're feeling it. And definitely run up the ads, run up the mentions, run up the likes, run up the follows for I'm Beauty Chicago, 6 Line Florals, and myself. Like